I not only graduated top of my class from Harvard University, but I was also the president of the United States for over 10 years. And today I'm going to reveal to you some never seen before information about how to get a custom My Little Pony cursor for your computer, since I've had a lot of people ask me how I got my DERPY cursor in some of my videos. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Here we go! Okay, so the first thing that you'll want to do is subscribe, otherwise this will not work, so don't take your chances and just click that little red button. And now we'll want to actually download a set of cursors. So we have DERPY, we have Princess Luna, we have Queen CHRYSALIS, we have OCTAVIA, we have one that doesn't work, we have RARITY, we have another RARITY, we have FLUTTERSHY, and then we have a few more on this website. So I'm going to go ahead and use the DERPY Hoofs cursors, but you can feel free to use whichever ones you want. And there are obviously more of these, not just the ones in this video. So once it is downloaded, you'll want to go ahead and extract it. I use WinRAR because I'm a pro nerd, but you can just use the default extract. And make sure you save this to a permanent location, because if you delete it, the cursors will stop working. So we can see that there are all of these different options. So this is like for the normal select is right here, the one that I have right now. This is what normal select is. So now we need to open up Windows settings, and in here you'll want to go to personalization, themes, and then mouse cursor. So we want to go and click on customize pointer image, and then you can see this is where all of those go. So we can go click on browse, and then just locate that folder. And then inside of there, you want to select the one that corresponds to it. So normal select. There we go. We now have our DERPY cursor. Now we can go ahead and select the rest of them. So text select. Gosh, what the heck am I doing with my life? Link select. I don't know the alphabet. There we go. Vertical resize. And then you can do the rest of them if you want. I don't care to do the rest of them. And then we can also change the size of the pointer. So make it really big or make it really small. It's totally up to you. And then you can also enable a pointer shadow. So I figured I would just throw that out there. Now there is a slight problem with using this method, and that's if you want to use a different cursor, you have to completely reset it, change it, and that's just a pain in the butt. And with the other method that I'm about to show you, you can have multiple different presets. So you can have like a regular preset for when you're hanging out with all your non-brony buddies, and then you can have like different multiple ponies if you want. So let's go ahead and just reset all of these for now. And then we can make it a little bit bigger. And then you'll just want to go in the search bar and type in pointer. If I could spell, there we go. So in this pointer menu, you'll want to click on pointers. And then what we'll do is basically just like before, go ahead and customize all these. Okay, that's good enough. I did 3 of them. That's all I care to do. So now we just want to click on save as, and we'll save this cursor scheme as DERPY, because why not? I say right foot creep. And then you just want to go ahead and click on apply. Denied. There we go. Now we have our DERPY cursor again. But you can have multiple different schemes. So I have a DJ Pwn 3 scheme. You just click on apply, and now it's DJ Pwn 3. I also have some Minecraft ones because I'm a pro gamer. So now I have a Minecraft cursor. But now if you want to change the size, what you need to do is go back to this menu, change it. It'll change it back to this. So then you have to go back to this menu and then go to a different scheme and then click on apply. And then that's how you go back to having a bigger cursor. So yeah, there you go. That's how you make a My Little Pony cursor, or any cursor. You don't have to just use My Little Pony. If you're on Mac, screw you, you little Steve Jobs fanboy. And if you're on Linux, you probably already know how to do this, and you likely already commented why Linux is better than Windows, which it's not. Get a life. Now, before we go, I do have some homework for you. To make sure you follow this tutorial, I want you to join my Discord server, which will be linked in the description, and send me a picture of your new My Little Pony cursor. All your new best friends are already there, so what are you waiting for? And be sure to join my Minecraft servers as well while you're at it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos you don't want to miss.
And until next time, I'll see you on the other side, and happy clapping.